You wake up, grab your phone, and the first thing you see is new AI tool just dropped. And in your head, one question hits like a punch. Can this thing do my job faster than me? Your chest gets a little tight. You start thinking about bills, responsibilities, and that one scary idea, what if I'm not safe? If you've felt that, you're not crazy. Millions of people are asking the same question right now. But listen, this isn't a fear video. This is a control video. Because AI isn't here to end your future. AI is here to expose who's willing to upgrade and who isn't. So stay with me. In the next few minutes, you'll get a simple plan. What to learn now, how to stay valuable, and how to make AI work for you, not against you. When you scroll YouTube, you see titles like "Why AI Will Replace You" or "The End of Programming." Those go viral because fear spreads fast. But here's the truth they don't say clearly. AI won't take your job. A person who knows how to use AI at work will. The game is no longer human versus machine. The game is human plus AI versus human. And that's why AI job disruption feels scary, because the rules are changing. So if you're here, you're already ahead. You're asking the right question. AI is changing jobs, what to learn now? And that's exactly what we're going to solve. Let's make this simple. AI automation isn't replacing entire careers overnight. It's replacing repetitive tasks inside jobs. Things like first draft writing, quick summaries, basic customer replies, simple design variations, entry-level code snippets. So if your work is only doing tasks, you're at risk. But if your work involves problem-solving skills, decision-making, and human communication, your value goes up. Because the future belongs to people who can combine AI productivity with human judgment. AI is a power tool, only useful if you know how to hold it. People search for skills that AI cannot replace and future-proof your career with AI. They're asking the right thing, but many chase the wrong answer. Because the answer is not one magic skill, it's a stack. To make it real, meet Jordan, a normal professional in Austin, Texas. Not famous, not rich, just trying to stay relevant and level up. When AI tools started taking over tasks, Jordan didn't panic. Jordan built AI-proof skills. Here are the 6 skills Jordan focused on, your roadmap to career future-proofing. AI fluency means you can give clear instructions, refine outputs, and use AI like a teammate. This is where prompt engineering basics matter, but not in a nerdy way, in a practical way. Average user, write a resume. AI fluent user, write a resume for a sales coordinator in Miami. Focus on measurable results, keep it one page, make it ATS friendly, and use a confident tone. Tools change, but AI literacy stays. AI can sound confident and still be wrong. That's why critical thinking skills are gold. Future high-paying roles go to people who can fact-check, spot mistakes, and say, "This answer looks nice, but it's not accurate," or "This doesn't fit our customer." That ability, human judgment, is not easy to automate. If you only follow instructions, you're replaceable. If you solve problems, you're valuable. Ask yourself, what problem am I solving? What outcome matters? What's the fastest path to results? This is strategic thinking, and AI can support it, but it can't replace your ownership of the problem. In the US market, clarity wins. If you can explain things simply, you become rare. This is why communication skills are still a top skill in every industry. Quick practice. Can you explain what you do in one sentence? If not, build that because it improves interviews, meetings, and leadership. AI understands logic, but it doesn't truly understand people. That's why emotional intelligence is a major advantage. Leadership, negotiation, teamwork, motivation, these are human skills. In a world full of AI content, the human touch becomes premium. The tool you love today might be outdated next year, so the real future-proof skill is adaptability, how fast you learn. If you've ever searched for how to stay relevant in the next 5 years, this is the answer. Build the stack. Keep learning. Keep shipping.
You don't need to quit your job. You don't need to learn everything in a week. You need a plan for upskilling for AI, starting small. Jordan used this simple system. Step 1, identify repetitive tasks. What do I do daily that feels copy-paste? Step 2, use AI to speed it up. Draft, summarize, brainstorm, organize, use AI for the first version. Step 3, spend your time where humans win. Strategy, taste, relationships, decision-making, creativity. That's how you become an AI-augmented worker, someone who produces more value faster. And people love searching for 5 skills that will pay in 2030. Here's the truth. It's not one skill. It's the stack. AI fluency, critical thinking, problem solving, communication, emotional intelligence, and adaptability. That stack pays. Technology will keep moving. The AI job market will keep shifting, but you are not powerless. You're the driver. AI is the engine. Upgrade yourself, and you don't just survive, you win. Here's your challenge. Pick one skill from today's list, practice it for 7 days, then add the next one. That's how career growth actually happens. Small moves, consistent action. If this video gave you clarity and a real plan, hit like so it reaches more people who need it, and subscribe so you don't miss what's next, because we're building a future-ready mindset here. This is Dream, Deliver, Dominate, and I'll see you in the next video.